What is up, my crypto legends? Hope you're having a fantastic Monday today. Let's analyze the situation here for Bitcoin level to level. Seen what's happened in between yesterday and today. I've actually been doing some weekend trading, which is not what I usually do. I usually trade more between Monday and Friday. I'm going to show you the potential, the opportunities that there have been, of course, and also the potential opportunity that there can be here in the next coming hours and days. Guys, I'm going to show you here what I did with my long trade and why I did actually put in a short trade on Bitcoin and on Ethereum, explaining why. Of course, we're going to try and make the first 10 to 20 minutes the educational content that we like, right? Showing you the major levels. Why are we getting rejected from this zone? Explaining why. Because people think that chart analysis, technical analysis is worthless. It doesn't, it doesn't mean anything. It's all about fundamentals, and depending on what happens with a tweet from Elon Musk, absolutely not. We're going to analyze the situation right away. I'm just going to go quickly through the comment section to say hello. First of all, guys, absolutely destroy that like button. Let's get to 200 likes at this moment. We have 200 people watching at this moment. So destroy that like button for me here for the algorithm. And let's quickly go through the comment section before why I took profits here at this level on Bitcoin and I didn't long Ethereum. I longed Bitcoin and shorted Ethereum and Bitcoin exactly at this range. We're going to go through that at this moment and why I took profits at this level. Okay, remember a long position that I had here. Why I took profits right here was because of this wick. Okay, exactly because of this wick and taking profits at this zone. Now I've taken most of my profits down here and protected position. I'm going to show you why in this episode, in this live stream. Why did I long here? Of course, it did explain this on yesterday's live stream, but most importantly in today's live stream, why I took profits here and why I entered a short here also, which is pretty nicely in profits. I've taken over 60% of these profits, protected a little bit just in case we do have another leg down or a potential swing failure pattern from these lows. We're going to analyze to see what scenarios could happen and where we can take opportunities, guys. First of all, let me say here quickly hello before I take a look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and also S&P 500. Okay, very important, I think, to take a look at the S&P 500 traditional stocks here to see what could happen, because they are still quite correlated. Okay, Bitcoin and crypto market, and then some other cryptos for the community, like always. What did they say? Lyrics. Hello, Andy, how are you doing? Pac-Man, smash the like, and I'm here ready and waiting for today's lesson. Absolutely phenomenal. Let's keep it at the first 20 minutes explaining the movements, as you say, first 10-20 minutes, and then after we can take a look at your favorite altcoins and interact a little bit with the people here in the comment section. LVR5 Vegan, hit the like on the way in. You're the man. Thank you very much for that insane support. It's very much appreciated. Hey, Zetsky, a lot of names that I cannot pronounce here properly, very likely. IPP Crypto, morning. Michael, hello, my crypto legends, good morning. John Distick, smash the like button. Thank you very much, my man. Diana, will we lose the big level, 20,800, 700? What do you think? Well, this is a major question. I do not know if we're going to lose it, but if we lose it, there are some opportunities that we're going to take a look at in today's live stream, okay? So it doesn't matter. This is the big question of a lot of people. Is it going to do this? Is it going to do that? We don't care if it does. Whatever it does, we can go and take advantage at that movement. And that is what I want to explain in today's live stream, right? When that movement happens, we need to be ready to jump in and jump out of a potential trade. And this is how you need to get that mentality. It doesn't matter what the price action does. We need to have a plan. We need to have some levels marked up to wait for that price action and be ready to pull the trigger, right? We want to be a sniper in war, getting ready for that situation, because you don't know if the enemy is going to move left or right. But when he moves left, we're going to pull the trigger. Okay, so anyway, just a brief explanation on that, or my way. Morning, everyone. Dan, how are you doing? Let's long that for a bit. Yes, I mean, there is also potential longing. I mean, it does look like that we could have that reversal, okay? Bigger reversal, of course, in the longer time frames, like I will explain also, because we're hitting the point of control from the volume trade of the last 70 days, like we explained, which is round about this range, okay? The $21,000 level. John Edge, how are you doing? This is why we're getting the reaction, okay? Remember, we're getting that reaction, of course, because of this, guys. We are at the point of control, as you can see from the volume trade of the last 7 days. You might think, why is the price action stopping here? Well, this is one of the main reasons. This is showing you the amount of volume that has been traded at this level for the last several weeks, few months, as you can see here. This is one of the main reasons why the price action is stopping, okay? We've also got this stop over here. We've got this stop over here. We've got some daily levels here, important daily levels. So this is, you know, you just add up this confluence, and these are the reasons why you're stopping at this range. Right. Andy, do you have any OnlyFans? No, I do not. An OnlyFans? No. Andre, can you take a look at Doge? There might be a short opportunity. Okay, we can take a look at Doge also. Right, I got someone's name here that I cannot say this out loud because yeah, it's a little bit aggressive. But he says, "Hi Andy, I'll pull the trigger on you." Ooh, bit aggressive. Hitting the point of control, you got that right. Mark Dutch, thank you very much. I got my moderator here, Mark Dutch, absolutely always giving me insane support. Racing Pixel, hello guys, please feel free to smash the like button. You got it. Right. Okay. Hit the like, John. Right. Yeah, this aggressive name, if you do not be careful, you will be eliminated of the comment section, okay? So try and be nice in the comment section. I'll get my moderators getting their hammer and bashing you out of the stream. So be nice. Let's analyze the situation. Said hello in the comment section. Let's quickly go through what I have done in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Very important, give that educational content on why I did short this. Why did I take profits also at this region getting exhausted? Why did I short Ethereum? Why did I short Bitcoin? As you can see, price action was getting exhausted. Here I've shorted this on Bybit, as you can see. and this exact level on Ethereum around the 1,620. Let's give that brief explanation. Why did you short here, Andy? You know, weren't you looking for higher levels? Yes, but remember, we are range trading, okay? Yesterday I was saying, you know, there could be a bigger relief rally. But what happens if there's not a big relief rally? Well, I'll be ready to see that exhaustion and get into a short opportunity. And this is what I'm going to go through right away on the live stream, guys. So just for that, absolutely destroy the like button. So let's just start off with Ethereum. Why not? Let's just start off with Ethereum. Why did we have, you know, this shorting opportunity? We can go, you know, I'm just going to start from the 1 hourly chart, okay? Keeping it pretty simple. You can see here, we had a major level, right? Let's just keep it simple. Just candlesticks, no volume. We got VPVR. It was a strong VPVR level from this consolidation. This is also why we were getting rejected. We also gained here on the point of control from the volume traded the last, you know, 4 to 5 days here, as you can see on the chart. Also gaining right there. But this was not the reason we got rejected, okay? Why did we get rejected here, and why was it a good shorting opportunity, guys? Let me know in the comment section if somebody knows why was this a shorting opportunity, this range, okay? First of all, we had this level, okay? You had a big rejection. We talked about a shorting opportunity right there. Of course, if you are in profits here, you need to protect your position just in case you do get that bounce back up. This was a kind of an ABC correction right there, as you can see also on the chart, right? A, B, and C. You consolidate in C and you come down, right? This is also a main reason why this was a good shorting opportunity, but it wasn't the main reason. So what happened at this level? As you can see, I'm talking about the $1,600. I'm looking at the 1 hourly chart at this moment, okay? We got this level and this level. As you can see, we had a breakout and we had one bounce. I mean, this was also a good longing opportunity. I'm not gonna lie, why not? Why not long this range to retest the highs? So there is so much level to level trading here, which is absolutely phenomenal, okay? There's a lot of scalping and day trade opportunities every single day, guys. So like I said, right, bang, we have a breakout, pretty successful breakout from a major resistance zone here, looking at the last few days. You know, if we retrace down here to this level from the breakout, you know, it's not a bad idea to long all the way to the area of the breakout, right over here. So it's level to level, in and out. That's it. I did not long this. I shorted this range over here. Why did I short here, guys? Let me know. Let me know. Low volume, retest, no volume. Swing failure pattern, says Michael. You got that right. Absolutely phenomenal. Swing failure pattern. Why swing failure? Because what happened is, okay, let me just go to the, I'm going to stick on the 1 hourly, okay? We created a high right there. We created a high. Okay, look at these 1 hourly candles. Let's keep it simple. Did we retest the high right there? No, we almost did, but we didn't. Okay, so people might have think, right, I'm going to short here. I'm going to short here because we're getting rejected. This is a double top. I prefer to see an attempt of a breakout and fail, just like what happened right there. So this was a confirmation when you close the hourly candle right there, well below the highs. This is an absolute failure, right? No more price action to the upside here. Swing failure pattern in the 1 hourly, as you can see. And also, like I said, you know, an ABC correction right there. Apart from that, you know, you had one bounce here. So you've retested it. You've retested the lows. Because if you would have consolidated here, then this would have been and created the swing failure pattern without retesting this low. I would have taken profits here, or I probably wouldn't have taken the short. But as we have retested this resistance turning into support already once, you are kind of creating a M pattern here in the short term. So swing failure pattern right there. You do have time. You have several hours. As you can see, I shorted this, you know, with a stop loss, expecting here for the lows to be retested. And, you know, we could say that they have been retested, but I think we could get another leg down for a swing failure pattern here and potentially get a bounce. but we could potentially, you know, create this slightly higher high, also double bottom, and have some pumpy action. You know, there's several options here, but I don't care what happens. I'm ready for these situations, for different situations. So like I said, exactly, I got someone here in the comment section, you know, good job. This is exactly what Michael, swing failure, very good, swing failure right there. Like I've just explained. Now, when you have this swing failure, you are aiming to retest the lows, right? Especially if you're in a very aggressive downtrend. Remember, shorting is actually better when a downtrend. Okay, so, you know, if you create an ABC correction, you could use Fibonacci extension. Also, it's a tool here on TradingView to find out, you know, where could that wave be, guys. And a one-to-one wave, as you can see on the Fibonacci extension tool, which is pretty impressive. You know, there are several Fibonacci tools here, and Fibonacci based extension right there helps you to find out where that wave can be, right, in the correction. So let me just quickly go through this again, right? We are in a very aggressive downtrend, so retesting lows is likely to happen once you have a correction. So if we take a look at Fibonacci extension from this low to the highs back there, boom, to the B zone, right, bang bang, we can see the one-to-one. Whoops, the one-to-one is exactly here at 1,642. We went slightly above 1,644 approximately. So you have A, B, C right there, which is here, right, the highs. Then what happens? You have a swing failure to confirm that you are likely to have that correction back down. This is why I closed long on Bitcoin from this level over here. Let me just quickly go through on Bitcoin. I did long Bitcoin at this level, also taking profits at the swing failure. I did take profits around this range, of course, also. And yeah, that was basically it because of the swing failure. It also happened on Bitcoin. So like I said, these are the kind of things that you need to train, because I know a lot of people on the live streams ask me, and I'll go through the super chat right away, you know, what's going to happen next? What is level to level? We can predict and look at the major levels where we could get a bounce or swing failure, reaction, you know, strong levels, trend. But at the end of the day, you are the one that needs to pull the trigger. You are the one that needs to find out these kind of opportunities. So like I've explained, this has just happened in between yesterday and today. These are the kind of opportunities that you need to find out, guys, altogether. I hope this is a pretty good educational moment for you. And yeah, after going through the comment section and some altcoins, we're going to take a look at what could happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Where are the next opportunities if we solidly break down from this range, or if we swing failure and recover here? We could have a bigger relief rally to claim these highs. This will be an interesting trading scenario also. But I want to go through Bitcoin, guys. Let's go through Bitcoin. I mean, very similar scenario on Bitcoin. Very similar scenario. Let me just zoom in here on the 1 hourly. Okay, very aggressive swing failure pattern on Bitcoin. Massive pump volatility all the way to 21,800 almost. But this was the important highs. Look at this. Massive big failure on the 1 hourly. Look at this. You know, just this one was confirming the swing failure. This is why from my long position of 20,800, I took all of the profits. You know, I locked in all of the profits here after having this failed breakout from the highs. You know, bang bang bang. I'm thinking, right, this is it. You know, this is very likely to have a corrective move. So this is why I'm short on Bitcoin here, also taking most of the profits here, just almost retesting the low here, because the low range is the take profit area. Okay, my low range, my take profit area, like I say most of the times, is the low levels or almost the low levels. Why almost? Because a lot of the times you get a bounce at the 618 level. Okay, you did get a big wick below 618, hitting the 0.88 fib, and you are consolidating at the 618. So, you know, it's a take profit area. It's a must take profit area. But I still got some position open. position open, I've taken most of my profits, over 60% on this position that I've got here on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, most profit have been locked, but I do have a potential breakout on to the downside here on this short position. Also, this is why it's worth having this short open, just in case the bigger relief rally does not happen. Anyway, the explanation has been better on Ethereum. Bitcoin, very similar. We can take a look at what could happen on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I will tell you my most profitable trading opportunity that I will be taking if we do see this kind of movement that I will explain. But let's go through the comment section. Joseph, Scotty, Seb, wow, I got Mark Dirch, I got Racing Pixel. Most of my moderators are here in the live stream, guys. Thank you insanely for this, for the support. You guys enjoy the live stream. This is absolutely phenomenal. We've got 600 people watching at this moment. So I just need to ask one thing, guys, before we continue, by reading the comments and making this technical analysis and educational content for the opportunities on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the crypto market. I need you guys to absolutely destroy that like button, guys. Smash, smash, smash. Let's get to 500 likes. Come on, guys, we can do it. Let's go through the comment section. Like I said before, I am trading this on Bybit. Bybit is my favorite trading platform. You get an insane bonus down below, up to $4,450 with a bonus that you need to follow the steps at the rewards hub here on your profile. Okay, follow the steps at the rewards hub and you can claim up to $4,450 on Bybit. Where is it going now? Says Hustle. Very good question. We do not know where it's going, but we will be ready to see what happens. Right, let's take a look at Left Found Music. Hello, Andy. I have a question regarding a project that that really has a lot of potential. Bryce, I would be happy if you could research this project and do your short analysis. Thank you. Thank you. Are the very best. You are the best. You are the best. Okay, let's take a look at this project. Bryce. Bryce for Left Found Music. Let's take a look at Bryce. I mean, I won't do full analysis on the actual project. Bit good. Bryce. But I will take a look and make sure to contact me in the Telegram group. Tag me in the Telegram group down below, and then I can, do a little bit of research here on this after the live stream, take a look at the project, and then I can give you my personal opinion. Okay, so let's take a look at this one on the charts, because I mean, doing a research here on the live stream is just going to take a little bit of too much time, and probably people don't want me to take a look at projects. Of course, we are focusing mainly on technical analysis. So let's take a look at Bryce right away here on the chart. We got it on KuCoin. Let's see if we do have enough price data. Right, we've had a little bit of pumpy action for the last week or so. Pretty nice pumpy action in the short term. Of course, in the longer term, we do have a pretty aggressive correction, right? Well, let's see if we do have some more price data here. There's more on gate.io. Right, okay, it has had some impressive price action to the upside here last week of over 200%, which is pretty impressive. So let's remember though that we are in a very aggressive downtrend. We've seen some volume here coming up. I think this can correct a little bit more at this moment, but you could it's very difficult to say, because we are still in a massive bearish multi-monthly trend. These pumpy actions are kind of disbelief rallies. I think they are not very sustainable. I think we should be seeing multi-month, still sideways action. These pumps for crypto in general are not very sustainable, in my personal opinion. We should be seeing some more, sideways action and some slight moves to the downside. Maybe not heavy moves, but some moves to the downside, retesting the lows in the next coming months. So I would be very, very cautious on these big kind of pumps. There is some pretty okay volume on Bryce, But let me get the VPVR here. This is not a successful breakout here. Looking at the 4 hourly, as you can see, we're just wicking above here. This spike on the VPVR, big consolidation at this range. This is turning into resistance. This range over here is turning into resistance. We've got a lot of support at this range and a lot of resistance, as you can see, right? We've got a lot of, this is at the 8.2 level, okay? There's many zeros in front. 8.2 level here, as you can see, a lot of resistance and support. We are in aggressive downtrend. This is still a lower high, okay? As you can see, stay extremely cautious. This could be a big resistance where it's going to fail and have that corrective move, okay? So stay extremely cautious with this altcoin. Make sure to tag me in the Telegram group down below to talk about this project. I will be doing a small research on it and give you my personal opinion. Thanks, Lefan Music, for the super chat. Let's keep on. Hello, Scotty. Hello, Joseph. My guys here, my moderators. Chris, let me take a look at Chris's super chat here. Can you check Chiliz and EOS for shorting potential? Absolutely. Let's take a look at Chiliz right away. GHZ, US dollar. What's happening with Chiliz? Right, we can analyze Chiliz here on the 12 hourly. We talked about Chiliz, this being a massive big resistance. We are likely, despite any volatility, we are currently trading at 19 cents. Despite any volatility above 23, 24 cents, we are likely to print another lower high here on Chiliz, okay? It is the most likely scenario. So like you said, Chris, this could be a shorting opportunity on Chiliz. We knew that, well, I was expecting a little bit of more consolidation here on Chiliz at the 23, 24 cent level, okay? Just on that live stream, you know, we were saying, hey, this is a strong level, the 24 cent range. We are likely to get rejected at this level. Let's see if we can see some exhaustion, but we came straight back down here. As soon as I finished the live stream, we were already correcting. So we didn't have multiple attempts, which would be, you know, that's my favorite, seeing multiple attempts here to try and break this zone and knowing that we are failing to break, and then you have time to jump into a short. These ones that come straight up and straight down, they're not my favorite, okay? They're very quick. I want to see a larger consolidation. So looking at the 12 hourly, we know that shorting here for a swing trade is better. But let's take a look at the shorter time frames. 4 hourly chart, okay? We can see this level is pretty strong, the 24 cent level, as you can see here on the chart. So this is why we're getting that rejection at that range. What is happening right now? Let's zoom in a little bit here on Chiliz, and we can see, look at this. This is a level that we did mark just a few days ago. Right there, big level here of resistance. This is a daily level, if I'm not mistaken. It's a daily level that's being respected here, as you can see. It's also a daily level from there. So you've got a big daily level. Zooming in, from the 26th of April to the 4th of May, we got a couple of, you know, daily closes and opens, as you can see. So if you zoom in here on the 4 hourly, this level has been having a reaction. Look at this. Look at this price action, this daily level. If we zoom in on the 15-minute chart, for example, or yeah, not even the 15-minute, it will have to be the 1-minute chart. Okay. This is if you are an aggressive scalper. Let me just show you this daily level, which has been insanely respected. Massive wick here on Chiliz to the upside. You'd have to look at the seconds chart. But you have the movement to the upside with a huge amount of volume. Big kind of buying volume right there. And where do you correct and get the bounce? Okay, exactly at this daily level, to come back up and retest the highs, right? If we go to the 1 hourly chart again, zoom in here on Chiliz, it was beautiful, really. You know, a big wick, big back down here to exactly touch the daily level, to continue back up to almost retest the highs, right? 618 level would already be a take profit zone, like I explained most of the times. What happened, of course, we retested this level once already. You know, if you know how to read the chart, you know, this is a high and this is another high or a lower high. So you have made an M kind of pattern here, right? You need to know that this is an M pattern. So what has happened right now is that we've broken here this major daily level to the downside, respected it as resistance, but now we're kind of creating higher lows. Let's check out volume, guys. Volume is the most important thing here with the price action. So let's go to the 15-minute and look for that shorting opportunity on Chili's. I think. I mean, the ideal shorting scenario would have been this level over here. Of course, this short, I wouldn't have probably taken profit. I would have got stopped out here at break even because we probably didn't hit the 618 from this pump. Oh yeah, we did. We almost touched it to the exact dollar, to the exact cent here. Sorry. As you can see, from the lows to the highs, you know, if you shorted this resistance level, a take profit zone, you know, like I always say, is the 618. We actually hit it to the exact cent here, as you can see on the chart. So yeah, that would have been a quick take profit zone, this level. Right. So like I said, you know, this is potentially... It is potentially a shorting opportunity, but because we have retested this level already once, the 19.4 cents, we've already retested it once. The shorting opportunity was here, right? The scalp, the quick scalp to almost retest the lows was there. Now you're retesting it for the kind of second, third time. So it's a little bit dangerous because you could get that breakout, right? You're testing it multiple times now on the chart, the 19.4. So the best opportunity here on Chili's, you could either risk a short here, but have tight stop losses just in case you have a breakout. You know, the likely scenario here would be rolling down at some point. But the highest probability trade here, in my personal opinion, would be a long. If you make a big breakout, because the short, you had it here. Right now, you're testing it, you test, you make higher lows, you know, you're probably going to break up. So if you break up with a large volume here, that would be the ideal scenario. You're looking for that first quick bounce here, level to level, okay? Almost retesting the highs or the 618. So wait for the breakout with volume, bang, bang, in and out. That would be the best scalp day trade opportunity here that I see on Chili's, Chris. You could short this range because it's a strong resistance level. It might fail. We do have larger volume here to the downside, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this level could also get rejected. I mean, this is up to you. If you're willing to have some risk management here, you could have multiple attempts. Ideal scenario would be, you know, having a wick down. Let's take a look at the 1 hourly. It's not a swing failure, so I would be cautious on this. You could double top here. Yeah, I mean, it is a potential short. It is a potential shorting opportunity. If you have good risk management, you could actually short this level. It's a big resistance. It's a big daily level, as you can see, being respected here many times. We could fail to get above, and we could correct from this range. But my ideal short would have been this one, you know, to the 618. Quick scalp with high probability. LA Meth. Hi Andy, how are you doing today? I'm doing great. Let's analyze here. Let's take a look at some cryptos. Andy, can you do Flow or Matic, please? Let's take a look at Flow. Why not? Bang, bang, in and out. That's what my missus said. Pac-Man, good one. Good one. Let's take a look at Flow. Or Matic. What do you prefer, Flow or Matic? BTC going strong. Let me know, guys. Flow or Matic? 300 likes being reached at this moment. You guys are amazing. Smash, smash, smash. Let me know, guys. Let's do a vote. Flow or Matic? Let me know in the comment section. What do you prefer? I guess most of the people prefer Matic, right? It's a larger market capitalization. Andy, are you a full-time trader, or you have a regular job on the side? No, this is my job. I'm, focusing on YouTube, education, trading. Yeah, this is what I do. I've been invested in crypto since 2018. Invested heavily in that bear market and made huge gains on the way up last year. And full trading. Let's do Matic. Matic. Everybody says Matic. Most of the people say Matic. Scotty says Flow. Right, I think most of the people want Matic, so we're going to do Matic. Let's take a look at Matic Network, guys, all together to see those opportunities, because Matic can be traded on the large exchanges. I guess Flow can also, but let's take a look at Matic. Of course, it has more volume, more liquidity. So let's take a look at Matic on the 4 hourly. Long time since I haven't taken a look at Matic. This is what I got on the chart. I got a big mess that I need to clear out. We had a breakout here on Matic. Very interesting breakout on this lower high scenario. I mean, this was absolutely beautiful. Not gonna lie. Just last week approximately, big resistance level, finally getting rejected, right? It was testing till you finally get that big swing failure pattern right over here and having the big correction. But we got this trend line from lower highs, which is getting a reaction. We got a big daily level also that is getting kind of respected here, right? We are respecting this level a little bit, getting a little bit of volatility below this range. We are at a level that we could bounce on Matic, which is, this 70, 80 cent range, right? Plus minus a few cents because of volatility. We did not manage to break here the point of control. We just got to the value area high, trying to break it here, and of course failing. So I think the ideal scenario here on Matic, we're going to go to the lower time frames. I think this trend line is just going to be broken, in my personal opinion. Short-term bounce is possible. Let's take a look at the shorter time frames, guys. Let's try and just scratch that money out of the market, right? In and out, focusing a little bit more in scalping and day trades, so you can just get in and out, all right? Make it more simple instead of having that swing trade of a potential short or long. We're having a lot of volatility at the moment, so let's try and get into those short-term opportunities. Right, for me, this is not a successful breakout. Just like this here, we had a breakdown here with hardly any volume. This is how important this is, guys. When we have a big support level, right? Volume is extremely important. Look at this, what happened on Matic. I'm giving a quick brief explanation on this so I can explain what could potentially happen now in the next coming hours and days. This is what happened on Matic, right? In July, late July, we had a big support level right there. It was a kind of a descending triangle that broke down. What happened? We didn't have any continuation. Why? Because volume was extremely low. We had hardly any volume here on this breakdown. So this is not, you want to see a big spike in volume. You want to see a big spike, showing you the pressure, right? Because volume indicates where there's pressure in that momentum move, right? We were to have a big spike in volume here. This is telling us that the momentum to the downside is even likely. If you have no volume, then yeah, this means that there hasn't been even buying pressure at this range, and just the selling pressure did win at that moment, but it's not enough. Then you have the buying pressure stepping in back again very hardly. So what we want to see here on Matic, the ideal scenario, we could get a short-term bounce at this resistance trend line from lower highs, right? As you can see here, getting a bounce. We did break out. We could get a bounce right there at this range, short-term bounce, but I am looking for lower. So what would be the high probability trade here on Matic? Let's analyze the situation. There's not a huge amount of volume here to the downside. There is pretty high volume, but it's not huge.
So what would be the ideal scenario? Because I don't know what Matic is going to do at this current moment. What I do know is, look at this. We have a big zone here on the VPVR, you know, on the support levels. So if Matic were to have a big bounce at this zone with volume being very low, even lower volume here on the bounce, we've got a big consolidation zone here. We can see it on the point of control. So the drop has happened. We are consolidating. If it bounces back up, you are likely here to create a lower high and have that continuation to the downside to almost retest these lows. So that is the trade that we are looking for. Now, what happens if this is a bear flag and then we break down? Well, same scenario. We've got a big major level right here. So what I am interested in trading is the retracement, right? We've got a big low here and we've got lows right there. So we've got a big zone here also. This is what we want to see, a successful breakdown with large volume. We know that this area is going to be very, very strong resistance. I'm talking about the 74-cent range, plus minus of 1-2 cents because of potential volatility. You need to wait for that exhaustion. Same scenario here. So if we break down from this range, big zone that can be respected for a quick short-term test of the lows. Same scenario here. If we do get the move to the upside, we've got a big zone here at 88 cents, 90 cent range, right? Plus minus that 1-2 cents. Point of control, big level here as support, very respected. We can also be looking at the 50% Fibonacci from the highs to the lows, 50, 60, 618, sorry, right? In between that 88 cents and 91 cent range, okay? Where you could get that volatility, a couple of attempts. If you get that couple of attempts and a swing failure, that is the moment you want to jump in, guys. You want to jump in when you are failing that pumpy action because you are likely to correct and retest the lows. Right, hope you like that brief explanation, guys. I got to make a move right now. I got a meeting and I will be doing another video today. Video or live stream. Let me know in the Telegram group if you prefer this evening, afternoon, evening, a live stream or a daily update of 8 to 12 minutes, right? Looking at Bitcoin and Ethereum. I have to make a move, guys. Remember, you got the Bitcoinsensus website to find out, you know, the different technical analysis ideas that we post every single day on different altcoins and cryptocurrency. We also have insane bonuses on Bybit and on PrimeXBT down below. Okay, we got PrimeXBT giving you 7% added to your deposit. You can trade a huge amount of markets here using crypto as collateral. Bybit, of course, for crypto, over 50 assets. You can swing trade here and the fees are extremely cheap. Check out the bonuses down below, $4,450 worth of bonus to be claimed. And this is also supporting the channel. I do get a small commission, but you get the best bonus that there is available out there. Smash up the like button on your way out. Guys, if you just joined the last few minutes, check out the first 10 to 20 minutes of the live stream. I'm explaining what has happened in between yesterday and today, level to level. Why have we been moving this way? Why is there opportunities over here, over there? You know, make sure to check it out, guys. Hope you liked the beginning of the live stream, the educational content, like always. Thank you, guys. Amazing TA. Smash that like button, says it's that. Thank you very much. Keeping it simple, price action, level to level. Guys, thank you very much. I hope you are going to have a great trading week. And if you don't, I hope you will be a brilliant trader in the near future. Thank you, guys, and I will see you in the next one.